Hello. Where are you now?
Hello, I am at the supermarket.
Why do you sound worried?
I cannot find my wallet.
When did you see it last?
I used it at the checkout.
Did you look in your pockets?
Yes, I checked everywhere.
Did you ask the store manager?
Yes, he is helping me now.
Did anyone find it?
Not yet, but they are looking.
Do you have money for a taxi?
No, I only have my phone.
Should I come and pick you up?
That would help a lot. Wait, someone is coming.
What happened?
A worker found my wallet.
Is everything inside?
Yes, nothing is missing.
That is wonderful news.
Yes, I am coming home now.
Yeah, see you at home, sweetheart.